Hello everyone, my name is Narsi and today we will study in English. So before starting our English topic, let's see some greatest artist pictures and recognize it. Okay, then let's get started. Which picture it is? Yes, you are right. It is a picture of Pandit Ravi Shankar. Do you know friends who he is? Yes, you are right. He is Zakir Hussain. Which picture it is? Yes, you are definitely correct. It is a picture of Tansen. So friends, listen carefully. Today we will learn about the famous artist Tansen and his artistic skill during the reign of Akbar, the great ruler of India. Song of Songs. Friends, I will read this paragraph with proper pronunciation and then I will explain it. After that, I will ask some question related to this paragraph. So listen carefully. The great ruler of India, Akbar, had 9 gems in his court. The 9 gems were the greatest in their own fields. One of them was Tansen, a great musician. He played different types of musical notes for the king. He played ragas like Malkuns, Deepak, Kedar, Malhar, etc. Tansen made some innovations in Malhar Rag and created Miha Malhar Rag. So friend, this is the story of the time of the greatest Mughal king Akbar, who was a great ruler of India. He has great interest in music, so he had many musicians, but in them he had 9 gems in his court, means he had 9 greatest men who had the peerless skills in his own their fields. One of 9 gems, it was Tansen, who was a greatest musician. He had a great skill of music and ragas. He played different types of musical notes for the king. He played many ragas like Malkuns, Deepak, Kedar, Malhar, etc. Tansen also made some innovations in Malhar Rag and created Miha Malhar Rag. Now friends, I will ask some questions related to this paragraph. If you know the answer, try to give answer. After your answer, I will repeat the correct answer. Who was Akbar? Yes, you are right. Akbar was a great ruler of India. What is the meaning of ruler? Not incorrect. Rulers means a king. In Gujarati we say Shasak or Raja. How many gems Akbar had in his court? Absolutely right. Akbar had 9 gems in his court. What is the meaning of gems? Yes, you are correct. Gems means a precious stone, or in Gujarati we say Ratna. Who was Tansen? Yes, you are right. Tansen was a great musician. What is the synonym of great? Yes, great. Great means massive or famous. For whom Tansen plays different type of the musical notes. Yes, you are correct. Tansen plays different types of the musical notes for the king. What is the synonym word of different? Yes, you are right. Different means not similar, or in Gujarati we say alag or judu. Which types of ragas Tansen plays? Correct. Tansen plays ragas like Malkuns, Deepak, Kedar, Malhar, etc. Next question. In which rag Tansen made some innovations? Not wrong. Tansen made some innovation in Malhar rag and created Miha Malhar rag. Now friends, we will listen a music or song of Miha Malhar rag. So listen carefully. Now friends, I will read this second paragraph with proper pronunciation and then I will explain it. After that, I will ask some question related to this paragraph. So listen carefully. One evening, the king was in his court. He said to Tansen, Ustadji, play something new on your tanpura and make us happy. Tansen agreed. He took his tanpura. He started the Rag Darbari. The court became calm and quiet. People forgot everything around them. After some time, the king looked up, his eyes bright with praise. Wonderful, he said. Superb, I listen to you every day. But this was the best. Tansen bowed before the king. So friends, when one evening the king Akbar was in his court, he told Tansen that play something new on his tanpura and make them happy. Tansen replied with positively. He agreed. He took his tanpura and then started Darbari Rag. When he started Darbari Rag, all people in court became calm and quiet. All people forgot everything around them, what is happening around them. After some time, the king looked up, his eyes also bright with praise. Wonderful, he said. Superb, I listen to you every day, but this was the best I ever listened. Then listen this up. Tansen bowed before the king. Now friends, I will ask some question related to this paragraph. If you know the answer, try to give the answer. Then I will repeat the correct answer. Who said to Tansen, Ustadji, play something new on your tanpura and make us happy? Absolutely right. The king Akbar told Tansen. Next question. For whom the king uses the word Ustadji? Definitely right. The king used the word Ustadji for Tansen. Next question. For which musical instrument Tansen is famous? Exactly right. Tansen is famous for Tanpura. Now friends, we will watch a video of Tanpura with its rag. So listen carefully.
I'm Koshiki Chakraborty. I sing the Khyal form and I also play the Tanpura.
Which rag Tansen starts singing at the request of king? Good answer. Tansen starts singing Darbari rag at the request of king. Next question. What is the opposite word of agree? Not incorrect. Disagree is the opposite word of agree. What happened in the court when Tansen started singing Darbari rag? Absolutely right. When Tansen started singing Darbari rag, the court became calm and quiet. People forgot everything around them. After some time, the king looked up, his eyes bright with praise. Next question. What did Tansen do before the king? Definitely correct. Tansen bowed before the king. What is the meaning of bow? Not incorrect. Bow means in Gujarati we say પ્રણામ કરવું અથવા માથું ટેકીને આદાબ કરવું. Now friend, I will take an evolution test. Answer the following questions in one sentence. First question. How many gems Akbar had in his coat? Yes, you are right. Akbar had 9 gems in his coat. Who was Tansen? Absolutely right. Tansen was a great musician. Next question. For whom Tansen plays different types of musical notes? Yes, you are definitely correct. Tansen plays different types of musical notes for the king Akbar. Next question. Which types of ragas Tansen plays? Yes, you are correct. Tansen plays ragas like Malkuns, Deepak, Kedar, Malhar, etc. For whom the king Akbar uses the word Ustadji? Absolutely right. The king Akbar used the word Ustadji for Tansen. Match A with B appropriately. Let's see. First, Akbar had 9 gems in his coat. Second, Tansen was a great musician. Third, the court became calm and quiet. People forgot everything around them. Now friends, write down this blackboard work in your notebook. Then after, write down this assignment work too.